The national government announced on June 30 that the entire Davao Region, including Davao City, will now be under modified general community quarantine. We have Jandy Esteban of GMA Regional TV 1 Mindanao for the details live. Jandy?
Said the city government of Davao released new guidelines as the city is now under MGCQ. Meanwhile, 2 provinces in Region 12 or SOC-Sargen are included in the list of emerging COVID-19 hotspots in Mindanao, while Davao Oriental maintains that they should not be part of the list. Based on the MGCQ Quick Guide released by the city government of Davao, the public is advised to continue wearing face masks properly, covering the nose and mouth, while maintaining a social distance of 2 meters apart. Since the city is still on quarantine, movement of people shall be limited to work, buying of food and medicine, accessing medical services, and for other emergency purposes. Travel to Davao will be allowed for returning residents and for business and work transactions. The city government also discouraged the public from going outside except when necessary. Tourism, meanwhile, remains suspended. Food and medicine passes with a number coding scheme will still be used and observed under MGCQ. The city also retains its curfew set at 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. the following day. The 24-hour liquor ban will still be in effect but will be subject to review on July 15. Those who are below 21 years old, 60 years old and above, with immunodeficiencies, comorbidities, and other health risks, as well as pregnant women, shall remain at home but can go out for work, food, medicine, hospital, emergencies, and exercise. For the education sector, there will be no face-to-face classroom sessions or examinations from kindergarten, senior high school to higher education institutions. However, HEIs can go to school for examinations, but the students must not be more than 50% of the capacity of the classroom. This also applies to technical, vocational, and other short courses. Operations will be allowed for restaurants, other food establishments, salons, and barbershops at only 50% capacity. Despite Sultan Kudarat and South Cotabato being tagged as COVID-19 emerging hotspots, the Department of Health Region 12 clarified that this is no cause for alarm for as long as the residents will follow health protocols like wearing of face mask, social distancing, disinfection, and others. In fact, borders in South Cotabato were reopened.
So there's no need to worry. There's no need to worry for the general public. We have no documented local transmission yet. That's what we are trying to prevent, very hard to prevent.
Meanwhile, Davao Oriental Governor Nelson Dayanghirang questions the inclusion of his province in the list of emerging COVID-19 hotspots as there is no local transmission in their area.
Mali og tanaw nimo basig mali ang data nga niabot sa DOH, no? Una, wala tay nahitabo diri nga pagkaylap or gitawag nato nga local transmission.
Said while the whole nation is still under community quarantine, earlier this week, a shooting incident happened in Sulu involving police officers that led to the killing of 4 soldiers. Yesterday, President Rodrigo Duterte visited Zamboanga City and talked with the soldiers. He appealed to them to come down as the investigation is underway over the incident. He also met with the military and police officers to help ease the tension between the government forces, said.
Thank you, Jandy Esteban of GMA Regional TV 1 Mindanao.